Hi, today I'll demonstrate image thresholding using ImageJ. Let's open an image. In this image, these bright stars are islands of gold nanoparticles seen under optical microscope. I want to know the area of each these individual islands. So before knowing the area, I need to threshold this image and then I'll measure the area of each island. Notice here this image is a color image. The RGB also indicates red, green, blue. So for the measurement we need to convert this into black and white image. So before converting black and white image, let's calibrate this image, analyze, set scale 1024 pixel is equals to 175 micron. Okay, now our image is calibrated and let's duplicate it. Okay, now this number 1 images are duplicated. So we need to convert this image into black and white image. So go into image, type 8-bit. So this is our black and white image. Now we have to threshold this image. Image, type, adjust, threshold. Notice here, while thresholding, some of the part is okay, but this part, the top part of image is completely washed away. This is very bad. Very bad. So we don't want this. If we slightly change the intensity in the histogram, the lower part of our image gets washed away and we totally lose the information in our image. So this is not a good way to threshold our image. So there are two ways still we can deal with this image. The one way is we can select the part of the image like this part, then basically we can duplicate the selected part. So this part we can threshold up very nicely. You can see here image, adjust, threshold, and which is a very nice. But if we want to do threshold entire image, then we have to use filter. Although there are other ways, so in this video also using filter how we can threshold how we can maintain the uniform background throughout the image. Let's reset this image. Let's go into process, FFT, bandpass filter, and let's apply this filter. Notice here our islands are strikingly bright while the background is very dark. Now the thresholding would be very easy. Let's apply thresholding, image, adjust, threshold. So you can see the thresholding is very nice. There is almost no loss of information. So let's see over and under. You can play with the histogram and you can determine to what extent you can move these buttons to to determine the right threshold. In this case, the AutoSim is working very nicely. So let's apply this one. So this image is now thresholded. Now we can analyze and let's measure the area. Let's check the area option. Now let's go analyze particles. Let's put the lower limit around 5, and notice here, choose this overlay outlines to check whether our thresholding was done properly or no. And don't forget to click here, add to manager. Okay, now the area is calculated for each island, and that is displayed here. The island number 1 has an area of 7.856 micron square. So, but our purpose is to check whether our thresholding is correct or no. So let's close this image, or let's minimize this image, and let's choose the original image. You can see this is the area 1, particle 1, 2, 3, 4. So the yellow line looks very well fitted around the particles. So that means our thresholding was done properly. So the another thing in this one is we can also label the islands with different color so that we can identify it easily. For example, let's choose this island number 30 and we can label it as a red. So the islands becomes a red, which you can see, and you can choose another island and you can make another island blue if you like. So let's click on show all. So you can see we labeled this island as a red, this is a blue. So this is sometimes very helpful to identify the desired island from the rest of the island. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.